Mamwe ma maundu maria marendekithio ni Kiungano gya kwarira uthii wa na mbere wa bururi nikio Institute of Economic Affairs ni hamwe na thirikari gukorwo ikigwithiria athondeki a indo igoti ria VAT hamwe na kuhuthia garama nene ya waki kungikinya kioneki kia Big 4 ni gigukinyanira.
The first thing that the government needs to do, and I think the Treasury understands, is we need to close loopholes for revenue leakage. That's essential. But I think that the bigger thing about revenues is actually more careful spending.
Oho thirikari ya bururi na thirikari cia county ni irendo ikorwo ikihotorana niguo guthinga mahoro ma kuria igoti rikoretwo rikiurira.
I think it would be a bad idea right now to raise taxes, income taxes specifically, because in January the new tax regime came in which gave more relief. So I think that will maintain for a while. With that, the only way to raise revenues is to be more efficient in collecting revenues, closing loopholes at the other side. But the most critical thing in our view is for government to start to cut out wastage.
Ningĩ Kiungano gĩkĩ nĩ kĩendekithĩtie gũberegenywo kwa watho wa kũgũithia marĩhi ma njoherera kũrĩ ngombo iria iheanagwo nĩ mabengi ũkĩgiritanio na kũhorokeria utonga wa bũrũri.
The economy has been soft in the year before, and last year obviously the economy didn't do as well as was anticipated when the budget was read. So obviously that means that revenue targets were missed. Minister
wa kigina Henry Rotich ni eranĩire mathenya ma bajeti ya mwaka ũyũ nĩ megũkundera na gĩcunjĩ kĩa 7.2 nginya harĩ gĩcunjĩ gĩa 6%. Muingi wa Gathũngũ, Kameme TV, Wonjoria.